All right, welcome back to the shop. As you can see, we got the car up off the ground, all four corners on jack stands, ready to knock this thing out. Get started on the 5-lug swap. We're actually going to do the front 5-lug swap off of the car. We're going to drop the K-member today. I'm going to show you how that's done. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So what we're looking at here is right under here, there's two 22 millimeter bolts. And then right here on each side, you see that bolt right there. I believe that's a 17, might be an 18. There's that one there, and then directly into the frame rail is another one. So you have those four on each side. So we'll get those four out, get the strut tower out, and we'll be on our way. Let's get into it. So as you guys saw, got everything loose, all the bolts out. K-member is free. Drop the struts. So now that's free. This is literally hanging on by a brake line. So what I'm gonna do, I talked to Rodney. He has new steel braided brake lines to replace these. So that means we get to cut. I'm gonna cut them off, free this front end, and we'll pull the whole thing out. Now I just need to find something to put to catch the brake fluid. And this empty box will do the trick. It'll do the trick for this side. I don't know what we're going to do for the other side. Well, that's scary. There was... Oh, there it goes. Actually, looks like might be able to point that up and not make too much of a mess. We'll worry about the mess after we get it out from underneath here. You're free to roam about the cabin. Let's see if we can get this stuff out of here. I want to pick this up a little bit. See if we can pull it this way. That strut tower is stuck. Well, so is this one now. We're going to have to pick the car up. What I don't want to do is pull that rear axle off of those jack stands. I think tug here. We're going to talk about stance game. We got stance up in here, yo. Anyway, there you have it. K-member's out. You can see right here, maybe. You can see right there, I cut the brake line right there. Stripping like crazy. Something I realized on the second side, let me show you this real quick, is if you cut it long enough, there's a little hole right there you can stick it in. No oil leaks or no fluid leaks out. So, all right, new K members on the way. 5 lug swap. I'm gonna get it all done. Until next time.